Hello, today I will show you how to use ChatGPT like an expert. By using this method, I make every conversation focused on a single task or area of expertise, and by organizing these contents on a platform like Notion, I store them in an orderly manner to work more efficiently. Now I start every conversation with a specific expert role. What does this mean? For example, I can create conversations in different roles, such as a digital marketing expert, a content creator, or a financial consultant. This way, ChatGPT only responds to my questions in that field and avoids unnecessary information. Thus, each conversation stays fully focused on the topic, and I achieve the most efficient results. By using this method, I save time and manage information in a much more organized way. The method is actually quite simple, but its impact is truly great. By carefully following each step, you too can learn to use ChatGPT like an expert. Let's get started. Now, I will show you how to do this for a digital marketing expert. First, go to ChatGPT and start a new chat. Start writing an instruction that fits the area of expertise you want. If you want to proceed faster, you can prepare in advance like I do. You can speed up the process by copying and pasting from a tool like Notepad. After this introduction, you need to take specific steps to direct ChatGPT in a more focused and limited manner. First, listing all the topics it will cover can be very helpful, but if you want to exclude some related areas, you should also specify them to make sure they are removed. This way, ChatGPT only focuses on the topics you want and works more efficiently. As you can see, I have listed all the topics for ChatGPT and specified both the ones I want and the ones to exclude. ChatGPT received the directives and confirmed what it should keep and remove. Finally, I clearly state once again that it should not answer any questions outside these topics. This step ensures that the conversation remains fully focused and avoids unnecessary information. Let's do a test now. I'm excited to see the results. First, let's ask about the best restaurant in London and see what it says. Yes, exactly as we wanted. ChatGPT replied, "This is not my expertise," and did not answer the question. Now, let's ask about the weather in Paris and see the response. Again, success. ChatGPT said, "This is not my expertise," and did not disappoint us. Now let's ask a topic-related question. For example, latest trends in digital marketing. Let's see how it responds. ChatGPT listed all the digital marketing trends, giving exactly the result we wanted. Well done, ChatGPT. This is why we love you so much. Now, let's rename this conversation to match its area of expertise. This conversation is now my digital marketing expert. Great start. Now, let's create 3 more experts like this. All our experts are ready and fully functional now. Great job! Now let's move on to the second stage. We will learn how to organize these experts in Notion. This is where things get even more interesting. We start by copying the first expert's link. Now, let's go to Notion and create a new page. What will we call this page? Of course, My Experts. This page will keep all our experts organized. Then we start by adding our first expert, the digital marketing expert. Now we paste the link we copied from ChatGPT for the relevant conversation. When you paste it, you will see 4 options. Mention, URL, bookmark, embed. You can choose the format that suits you best, but I usually prefer the bookmark format. It's both organized and visually appealing. Now let's add all our experts to Notion using the same method. This page will soon turn into a complete knowledge hub. Now let's make some format adjustments. You can customize the layout of your page as you like and organize your experts in the most useful way. With a few small touches, your page will look both functional and great. Let's make the final refinements and complete this setup. Now, let's check if the link works. I am clicking on the digital marketing expert, and ChatGPT opens the exact conversation. Super! This is exactly the result we wanted. Everything is working perfectly. With this expert system, you can also create specialized, restricted chats in ChatGPT to manage your projects. And of course, you can store these conversations in an accessible structure on Notion as well. This method is especially useful when you have many conversations and need to find them easily. Moreover, it helps you build a more structured and focused knowledge base within each chat. Thus, your work becomes much more efficient and organized. Now, let's refine the visual aspects of our page. By adding a banner and a suitable icon, we can make it look more stylish and personalized. You can choose a banner from Notion's options or upload your own image. Similarly, selecting an icon that matches your page theme will visually complete it. In just a few minutes, your page will look amazing. Let's make the final touches and wrap this up. I hope this video has inspired you and given you a new perspective. By using ChatGPT and Notion this way, we've seen how you can organize and optimize your workflow. For more tips, methods, and creative ideas, don't forget to follow me. By sharing your thoughts and comments, we can further improve this process together. Maybe you have great ideas too. I truly believe we can achieve great things together. For now, take care and stay productive.